the science of the swing. Gather round. That's close enough, guys. I've wanted to take this video for a while, so this just makes it easy. I want to talk about the science of the swing. The science of the swing. And so this is specifically for the kipping ring muscle up. Specifically for the kipping ring muscle up. 3 rules to the science of the swing. Rule number 1 is everything has an equal and opposite reaction. Everything has an equal and opposite reaction. Rule number 2 is the rings must catch in neutral. Okay, so I have to have the rings going straight down at neutral. And rule number 3, anytime I initiate a transition, it will push the rings forward. Okay, rule number 1, equal opposite reaction. Rule number 2, I must catch the rings at neutral, straight down. And rule number 3, whenever I initiate a transition, it will push the rings forward. If I want to catch the rings in neutral, and I know that the initiation of the transition is going to drive the rings forward, where do the rings need to be when I am transitioning? What'd you say? Back? Exactly right, right? So the rings have to be back, so as I initiate the transition, I can catch in neutral. How do I get the rings backwards? What's rule number 1? Everything has an equal and opposite reaction. So if I want the rings to go backwards, how do they have to start? Forwards. Right, so we are going to create, through the science of the swing, a forward driving ring that is going to create an equal and opposite reaction backwards that I can then initiate a transition and catch in neutral. Does that make sense? Every one of our drills is going to help you understand that.